Hello friend, in this video we will cover copy on write array list, its definition and points where we can use copy on write array list with real world examples and some properties. Quickly I'll read here the definition of copy on write array list. It introduced in JDK 1.5 which implements the list interface. Here you can see apart from list interface, it also implements random access clonable and serializable interface. It is an enhanced version of a array list in which all modifications like add, set, remove, etc. are implemented by making a fresh copy. We will cover this in practical. It is found in java.util.concurrent package. It is a data structure created to be used in a concurrent environment. I'll quickly move on Eclipse IDE and we cover all these points with Java practical. Here I'll open the project multi-threaded and that I already created the demo class and I return few lines of code. So here you can see I created the object of copy on write array list and added few strings object here, and now I'm creating the iterator object and iterating the copy on write array list object. So simply this demo I had created and now I'll run it. Okay, so I'll run it. You can see the output A, B, C, D. It's printed. So in which way we first think in which way we added it is printed in the same way. Okay, then second things I just adding here a null. Okay, so you can see there is no compilation error and now I'll run that. So it is also allow null, and second I add again second another string object and I add the duplicate as like C. Okay, so it's also allow the duplicate. So it preserve insertion order, it's allowed to add null, it's allowed to add the duplicate. Okay, because you know string is immutable, so we no need to take care about hash code and equals, right? So I can say this is similar like array list, or we can say this is the enhanced version of array list. Okay, now what is the difference between array list and copy on write array list? We will see. So you know first I created the object of iterator and I am printing the value of copy on write array list through the iterator, and in between I just added one more object as an string inside copy on write array list object. And what will happen in this case? I'll run the program. Here you can see we did not get the newly added object as an D. And second point you can also remember from the array list, we did not get any concurrent modification operation, exception in this case. So this is the thread shape. This will not throw any concurrent modification exception if we are adding anything, right? Second, iterator object will not allow to add, remove and set operation with copy on write array list. Okay, so I added this. If I am performing any operation like add, set, remove on copy on write array list object, it will make the fresh copy clone of existing object. I can say from original object, and on a particular time it synchronized from a clone and original object. And this like activity take care by the JVM. Okay. So now it is not merged. If I'll just put this line below, then it will merge, because you know JVM it just compile or execute program your line by line. So now you will get it. So of course you will get it D. Okay. So where now second point about that, because of this operation it make the copy every time. It's a very costly operation, so we cannot use everywhere it in our programming, okay, because of the costly operation. Second, it's a thread safe. But where we can use it, we can use it where you want to perform 90 plus percent read operation, or frequently you have a read operation, you can use this, okay, because read operation on the, if I want to perform read operation, it will not make any copy. Simple. Okay, so this was the R&D points on that, and now I'll move on the some IMP points. So here you can pause your video or read the points and then compared as we had discussed with Java practical. And if you have still questions, still doubts, so feel free to write inside the comment. So I'll create the video on that. I hope it will clear for you. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.